going on, guys? Welcome back to Motor Gang. I have the Porsche Panamera 2016 970, the facelift for the full wrap. And then for the wrap in this car, you have to remove the side mirror and door handle. I can say it's one of the difficult cars to remove, especially door handle. I will show you how to do it. Rear door and front door is different. So first let's remove the door trim. From Panamera 2011 until 2016 or almost 2017 before the new one, all is same. The first thing you need to remove is cover. From the corner with something like trim remover. I did the masking tape to not make the scratch, and then put it at the corner. All is clean. Always have plastic tools. That is the wrapping squeegee. I use it for clip here, and then unscrew the screw size torque 20. Okay. After that, grab the door handle, and then, but don't do like that. Put it in and then remove this one. This door top. Why not come out? Because this one has something. That's why. Okay. This one after you remove it, have to go in, coming out like this. Go in. Okay. And then here have the screw T30. Okay, now it's time to remove the disc cover. Again, like this. Really slow, gently. Okay, all coming out. Okay, don't never grab it from here because of this one. Then when you want to put it in, just put it and slide it inside. Okay. Other T30. Now we unscrew all the bolts. So one T20 and then two T30. After that, not like most of the car with the T you have to grab. No, just holding this one and then slide this one up. You have to unplug the cable. I cannot see one. Hold this one for you. Open the door. Okay.
with this driver, this small connector for the speaker have really small tab. You have to push it in with the finger, is not possible. And then here you have the connector for the Porsche. You have, if you see, those red one. First take that tab out. Okay. And then door handle. Careful to not breaking those ones. When you do like that, sliding this part from here out, and then when you want to put it in, do the same way. And then this one, when you want to remove it, first this red one is going in. You take out this one and then push this tab. Okay, now it's door tuning out. So for door handle, I have to make another video, and also for the front door, please watch all of that. If you like it, share my video. See you next time.